Hello, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Today's recipe is going to be fried chicken breast with mustard in a tomato sauce as sliced. We're going to have rice and corn. But seasoning the chicken. But before seasoning it, you have to wash it. Mine is already washed, so I didn't show you that part. As you know how I wash my chicken. So we're going to start by adding salt. One teaspoon of chicken broth seasoning. Then you add 2 spoons of professional seasoning. Then you add cayenne pepper. Then you add 2 teaspoons of mustard. And then you mix it all well together. After mixing it all well together, you're gonna squeeze a bit of lemon juice on it, and then you will keep it in the fridge for at least an hour. Now we're gonna make her rice. To make her rice, in the saucepan, you're gonna add a bit of olive oil. A bit of red onions. Then I'll add my red and green pepper. Bear in mind, I already washed my vegetable before putting it into my food. You washed it and then I chopped it off already. Okay, so we're gonna stir that a bit until it's a bit golden. Then we'll add a bit of turmeric inside, and then we're gonna mix it and cover it a bit for like a couple minutes, not even a minute, couple seconds. Then we will add her rice. Bear in mind, I already washed my rice before adding it inside the pot. So wash your rice before you put it inside the pot, okay? Let's go. After mixing it all well together, you're gonna add a bit of salt. Not a lot, just a bit of salt. You add 1 vegetable cube. You add 2 chicken cubes. Then you add a bit of water inside. Then I'll add a bit of leaf inside, and then I'll put it back into the rice cooker because I'm using my rice cooker pot to make my rice. Okay. Now we can start frying the chicken breast. You add a bit of olive oil into your pan. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So let's go. We're gonna fry her chicken breast. As you can see, look at that, how it's so golden and nice. Don't fry it too much here, because when you fry your chicken breast too much, it's a bit tasteless because it's very dry. So you want it to be juicy, so don't fry it too long. Let's go. After finish your chicken breast in the pan, we're gonna add a bit of olive oil so we can do our sauce for the chicken. Let's go. Add onions, which I already washed and chopped off. red pepper. Add a pinch of salt, not too much, just a bit. 1 teaspoon of chicken broth. And 1 chicken cubes. And you're gonna mix it all together. Then you add 2 glasses of water. Then you add a bit of cherry tomatoes inside. Mix it well and add a bay leaf and let it cook for a bit. Then you add hot chicken breast inside. Look at that sauce. Oh my god, I'm telling you, it's so nice. You guys need to taste it. And then you add a bit of celery and let it cook for like 20 minutes. Inside of saucepan, you can see I already took like 2 corns, which I cut it into like 4 different pieces, and then I'm gonna add a bit of salt, and then I'll let it boil for a bit. "20 minutes later, now the sauce is ready. I'm just gonna take off the chicken breast and put it inside the serving plate. Look at that. Oh my god, it's cooked. It's so nice. And so just look at those vegetables. It goes so well with the rice. I'm telling you, this is to die for. You need to dive in and try it. A minute later, the corn is ready. I'm gonna throw that water, then I'll add a bit of butter, then I'll fry it together. Look at that, my corn is ready. bit. Now my rice is there. Now adding my chicken breast and the sauce at the top. Then I'll put my corn at the side. Look at that. Oh my god, delicious. Like I say, voila. Thank you for making this video with me. Don't forget to leave a good comment and see you next time. Enjoy.